Hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about the problem of the black screen in Sharex, where you're trying to capture the second monitor and you get basically a black screen on the second monitor and you can't capture anything. So we're going to go through how to fix that. And first of all, it's not a Sharex issue. So this problem happens when you have two monitors, and one of the monitors, the second monitor, basically becomes black when you click. Let's do the example here. Share. You go to Sharex, you open it, and when you try to capture this screen, what happens, this is the second screen that I'm currently on. I'll try to capture it, and you see it can identify the windows inside, but it's black. You can't really capture it. If you try to capture it, you'll get a black screen. So how do you fix that? Okay, the problem here is a security application. You're probably using some sort of security application. In this case, the problem was Comodo's. Go to Comodo Secure Shopping. When you uninstall Comodo Secure Shopping, as I'm going to do now, just a second, let it uninstall. Okay, now that it's uninstalled, I'm gonna restart the computer and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and now that I removed Comodo Secure Shopping, I'm gonna do the Sharex again, open it, and try to capture, and voila, on the second screen, everything works fine. So yeah, hope this video solved your issue. If it did, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and have a great day. See you on the next one.